Welcome to the Pando tutorial video on how to create a map. If you don't have a map yet, you will need to contact info@mypando.org to get started. You can do so using the contact button on the mypando.org home screen. If you've already been in contact with us, you should access the invitation email for your map, create a password, and log in. Now that you're logged in, you can access your map editor by clicking Admin and Manage Maps. Find your new map name, some users may have more than one, and click Edit. You're now on the map editor. First, decide if you want to change the map name. This should be something that lets those joining know what it is, perhaps a program or initiative name, and country or location. Provide a short description of the map. This should let those invited know who launched the mapping initiative, where, for whom, and for what purpose. This is what your users see when they input relationships once invited to your map. Next, choose collaboration areas. These are the type of relationships between actors that you would like to capture in your map, or in other words, the ways that people are working together. In our example of StarNet Nigeria, we are interested in the policy issues and advocacy efforts that actors are working on. But collaboration areas can also be sectors, projects, programs, outcomes, or changes. You need to type these in one per line. You'll want to provide a description for these collaboration areas. This is to help your users better understand which of their relationships would fit into each. Users can access these descriptions by clicking Learn More next to Collaboration Areas on the Relationship Manager. From here, you'll now move to additional information you'd like to collect about the actors in your map. Unlike collaboration areas, which capture relationships, these categories will capture information specific to each actor. The first is organization types. Think about who will be invited to your map and input categories, one per line. The second is areas of expertise. These should complement your collaboration areas, but probably be more specific. They can be sectors your actors work in, services they provide, or issues they focus on. For StarNet Nigeria, we are interested in sectors. The third is location. This should capture the geographic locations in which actors work. Depending on the scope of your map, this could be regions, countries, states, cities, or something else. In Nigeria, we are interested in the region of the country, each of which is made up of a few states and is easily understood by anyone working in the country. Those who join your map can fill out all of this information on their organization profiles. The final thing for you to do to set up your Pando map is to write an email message to be included in the invitation to your map. Pando sends a standard email message, but you have the option of personalizing it. It's a good idea to introduce yourself, why you are collecting this map data, and what you plan to do with it. Now that your map is set up, make sure to save it. You're now ready to invite actors to your map.